soft or it's not. Today I'm going to be testing something a little bit different. I got a iPad right here that no longer works. I watch a few videos on YouTube of something similar to this, just the demolishing with the steel crushers. So I figured that the steel crushers in the junkyard did a lot of damage. So I wanted to know what would happen if I shot it. Let's get into the video. Now before I start shooting, I'm going to mention that I always keep my guns unloaded, and I advise you to as well. Let's get into the video. I'm going to start with the Red Ryder a Daisy BB gun. Let's see. You want to go ahead and take a shot? See what it does. Right there is the steel where it actually hit, or the metal or whatever. Now I'm going to shoot the screen. Miss. Right. Okay, right here is actually, we made a few little thingies. Okay, that's good. Okay, now let's shoot at the back of the metal with our Umarak. Shooting 400, shooting between 400, 500 feet per second. I forgot to mention that I'm shooting 177 cal BBs. This is going to be shooting at 500 feet per second. Right, I took 2 shots. It didn't make it through, so the first one ricochet. Alright, right here is our revolver. There's our Red Ryder, and we did another revolver down here. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and test with the M4 BB gun. M4 177 cal, shooting at 625 feet per second. I don't think that ricocheted. No, that didn't ricochet, I don't think. There's our big gun. There's our revolver, and there's our Red Ryder. Our Red Ryder is the smallest. Oops, I dropped it. I actually have a special item coming tomorrow. I have a not tomorrow. I dropped it again. Where did it go? A lot of the times they drop. Okay, point to camera right to that. Okay, well now I got the other one loaded out. I'm gonna put this here. Let's try again. Point it. What I'm doing. I got some wad cutters right here. Point it out here. What I'm doing. Alright, I got these wad cutters right here. Let's see if I can load it. Alright, there, I got it. 10. So loading with 177 cal pellet. See what we did. What? Okay, there's our BB, and there's our wad cutter pellet. Did we make any damage? No, through the back of 177. Alright, now I'm going to try my custom made bullet. No, it was pointy, so it just cracked it. Alright, now I'm going to do a little spree on here. I'm going to shoot up the screen some with this revolver. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to drop a like down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys next time.